I want to explain you how to hold the hair and why it's so important. At the first, we just need to hold our hand very close to the head or to the place that you want to fix your hair. And at second, you should literally follow the lines or shape that you want to create. So, for example, you go like this, right? And we'll come in to maintain the form, shape, and we'll come a little bit more to make all this hair stay together. And then you open it like this, and your hand is very close, right? And you pull it very gently and make like these lines. And you go lower. So you follow the shape that you want to create. It's very important. So now I want to show you how to make lines. At the first, if your hair is so soft, you can use a little powder, like so, and it will be more easier to backcomb, to tip the roots, right? And after that, you can stay by safe. You need to use the hairspray because it doesn't have to get wet, right? And we're backcombing all the hair, like so. Look, you can use a little bit more hairspray to hold it, to give some texture, then it will be more easy to backcomb. You backcomb like this, very gentle, and then you clean up on the top side. You clean up on the top side. Okay, one more time hairspray. Open a little bit like this to give a direction, right? And look at my hand; it's very close to the place that I want to fix. And then very gently you open it like this. You need to hairspray each time because the hair it's not holding very good, right? And then I'm fixing like so, pulling the hair very gently. Hairspraying. So one of the important things, look, it's not transparent, right? We have the base, we don't have a holes. It's very important also. So another secret here is I can take the pin like this and wrap the hair a little bit and then put it so nobody can see the bobby pin or pin. So we need to wrap it a little. So what I'm gonna do with this French, with this bang, is I want to just backcomb a little bit and hairspray a little bit. And I don't want to curl it, I just want to give a direction, okay? I just want to give the direction with my curling iron. Look how I'm gonna do it. At the first, I want to give a direction, very good direction, from the roots, like that. I just push them like this. And then I take all this hair and then I pull it and wrap it a little bit and give to the right side, the direction. Like so. So it's gonna hold like this then. Wow, looks good, right?